In this video, you'll learn how to unpark your domain in GoDaddy so it points to your actual website instead of a default parking page. We'll go step by step through your GoDaddy domain portfolio and update your DNS settings, specifically the A record, to use the IP address provided by your web host. First, you'll need to sign in to your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is the section where all your domains are listed. Once you're logged in, look for the domains area, then find the specific domain you want to unpark. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct domain, especially if you have several in your account. After you've selected your domain, you'll want to access its DNS settings. To do this, look for the DNS tab or a button that says DNS or Manage DNS. Go ahead and click that. This will open the DNS management page where you can see all the records that control how your domain behaves on the internet. On this page, you're interested in finding the A record where the name is set to the @ symbol, often shown as just the character @. This particular record controls what happens when someone types your main domain without any subdomains into their browser. There might be several records listed, so scan carefully for the one where the type is A and the name is @. Once you've located that A record, you're going to edit it. Click the edit option associated with that record. This will open up a small form where you can change its values. Here you'll see a field usually labeled value or points to. Right now, this is likely using a parking IP address, something similar to GoDaddy's default parking values. You'll want to replace that parking IP with the IP address provided by your web host. This IP address comes from whoever is hosting your actual website. If you're not sure what it is, you can usually find it in your hosting account dashboard or in the welcome email from your hosting provider. Carefully type or paste that IP address into the value field, making sure there are no extra spaces or characters. After updating the value to your web host's IP address, the next step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the edit window and click it. Once you save, the record will update and your domain is now essentially unparked and pointed to your hosting server. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully update across the internet, often anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours. During that period, some visitors might still see the old parked page while others see your new site. That's completely normal. And that's it. You've successfully unparked your domain in GoDaddy by updating the A record to your host's IP address.